the KARGA deck in. Already has the hardware installed, the brackets here. Position the seat hinges vertically. I'm going to attach through the bracket, through the hinge. So I'll position it like so. And then I could work from underneath. You can do the near side first because it's easy. That holds it in place. So take the bolt, washer, nut through, start that one, and I don't tighten them down. What I do is get the first one going, squat down, reach across from underneath. You can see in there nicely if you look from underneath. Position the bolts, the nuts. Take 2 1/2-inch wrenches, tighten those up, and that's the install for a seat delete in a Tacoma.